good morning, good timers. We are on day 5 now, I believe. We've got today and then a almost full day tomorrow before we fly out. So Simone is getting ready behind me here, getting organized, trying to gather up some of our stuff for our checkout tomorrow, so we don't have to do it all tomorrow morning. But today we are heading to the Arts District for brunch over at Esthers, and it's Christina and Anthony's one of their favorite places, so we're going to meet them down there, as well as an Enrique and Melissa from Vegas, up and away. Sort of brain fart. But yeah, we're going to go out to brunch with them over in the Arts District, and then this afternoon we're going to be hanging around Fremont Street, possibly meeting up with Duder from Water, Wilds, and Weeds. And then tonight we've got a concert on the rooftop of downtown Grand, once again with Anthony and Christina. So we've got a full day downtown today. We haven't been downtown for a couple of years, so it should be interesting to see all the strange oddities that are down there. So yes, we are heading off to Fremont now. Going to stop downstairs first, put a couple bills in the machine. Probably more than that, but hopefully we win a little bit of something like we did yesterday morning. We had good luck yesterday morning downstairs, so we're going to try again and then head off to brunch. We'll see you there. Here at Esthers this morning. You got Anthony, Christina, Melissa, and Enrique over here. We're all just waking up and getting coffee on us. Everybody's been Vegasing way too hard this week. Just getting done over here at Esthers in the Art District, and it was excellent as always. This is only the second time we've been, but it's been excellent both times. So I would highly suggest making a trip down to the Art District, just for Esthers at least. But we're also going to do a little bit of exploring here. Antique place right across the road from Esthers, and we're going to go check that out with Anthony and Christina right now. Alright guys, Antique Mall was interesting, but didn't really find anything that I was burning up to buy or anything. But so now we're walking somewhere. I think we're walking to the car, but not positive. We're all still suffering from the Vegas. So no stop-offs or drinks yet, but we're gonna go try to find Duder somewhere on Fremont Street and probably have a drink at that point. We shall see. Right now we're trusting Anthony with our life. We've never actually ridden with Anthony. Christina's drove us around, but Christina kept us alive. Let's hope Anthony does too.
Come dance with me. Yeah, move your feet. Move your feet.
One time for the people in the back, get them up. Get light up. Represent, had to do it, hella big, had to run it back again. Light it up.
Alright guys, over here at the D. No, not the D, we're at Circus still. On a random bonus. And we got the Karate Kid machine, which we can't find anywhere except for here. So we're definitely playing this one, and not a great start. But anyway, we finally found the Karate Kid at least. So we will play it for a little bit, see what happens. Alright guys, more random bonus action on the Karate Kid. Sorry if I'm yelling, but we're at Circa, and you know, you can never actually hear yourself thinking Circa, so you have to yell. Hey, we got 3 boards now. 4 boards. Alright, this could be good. We're gonna hope for the best. I'll get my finger out of the way. That'll be good there. No, we're good here. We're gonna need 1 more over here. Alright. Well, this is definitely good. Alright. Not great. Not bad. $6. 4 boards and only $6. Could be better. Alright guys. Karate Kid karate chopped us. So we're gonna go over to the D now and meet up with Duder. Hey, good timers. We found him. It's Duder.
I'm here. Guess what?
Oh, hold on. I gotta.
Oh.
Are those homemade?
Don't zoom in.
Are those homemade?
Do I have underwear on?
I don't care. I mean, your shirt's long enough right now.
They are homemade by who? Not me.
Not you.
But they're homemade.
All right. They are special. Speaking of special, hey look, it's Anthony. There we go. We got the goods.
Any long pause?
We actually didn't even out of Circuit before we found him. So.
Hey, good to see you.
Hey guys, making our way to the D. Got Anthony and Christina and Duder somewhere behind us. Duder in his knit shorts. Don't get too close to those, we've been warned. Yes, they've been crocheted. He said not by him, but he wouldn't say by who, so I don't know. Probably best I don't know. Smile.
Crosses your path.
Duder.
Confidence with true
Alright guys, leaving the D now. Didn't really win anything, but we got lots of free drinks, comp drinks, so that's the important thing. We are going to head down to the Fremont Street Experience now. Duder's requested a 360, so that's what we're going to go do. Alright, go for it.
Get that first.
Get right in there.
Get it?
Wait, kissing the Blarney.
Have you built that sexual tension? Have you built that desire? Have you gave the compliments? Have you teased and seduced them? Because now is the time where you're going to do that. That is step number 1, stimulate the mind.
There's a man of many talents right there, guys.
That's good luck.
Ronnie, you want a shot at it? Ronnie's going in. Look at this. It's exclusive. Ronnie's going into the Blarney.
We like you to tease, touch our erogenous zones, kiss your way down the body. You always want to start up here before you go down south.
Got right in there. Simone was the only one too afraid to do it. All right.
Yeah,
All right. Alright guys, heading down towards the El Cortez now. We've never seen that new bar yet, so we'll check that out. Still got Duder and Ronnie C with us. May or may not have another drink while we're there. We'll see what happens. We do have a 6:30 dinner with Anthony and Christina over at 8 East. And then we may or may not have a concert tonight over at the Downtown Grand. We have tickets, but we're not sure if we're actually going to go or not yet. We'll have to get that out later. And there we go, guys. The pimping new center bar here at El Cortez. Looks a little bit like something you'd find at Cosmo. I think Ronnie C and Duder were coming over here, but I don't seem to see them anywhere. I think they ditched us. I think Duder and Ronnie C totally ghosted us. Alright. Duder, if you're listening, shame on you. Duder ghosted us. With Duder and Ronnie C over there still. There's Ronnie. Winning lots of money over on the machine. Got one of the new bars. We got the show bar we're at right now. Pickles is beside me. Yeah, they've done a good job with the remodel here.
They got a noodle.
Show it to you. Duder's poking me. Hold on, Duder might have something good. Duder.
What do I do?
Oh, Duder's got a bonus on Alien Attack Kino.
What do I do?
I have no idea. You touch an area of the map, it says.
This one?
I guess, sure.
10.
10 cents, right? Not that one, buddy.
10
Oh,
quarters.
actually, that might be 10 quarters. All right,
That's 10
that should be
quarters.
decent.
Oh, and that's it?
I guess.
Okay,
All
that's
right,
fine.
it's a one press bonus.
I love the Albert.
Yeah, it's great. El Cortez now. Spent a little bit of time there at the bar. Their comp drink system is kind of crap though. So we weren't able to get any comp drinks. Guy said we had to spend $1.25, I don't know, every 30 seconds or something weird. But anyway, so no comp drinks at El Cortez. Nice bars though. We are heading down towards Circa now. I do not have a sticker. I have a magnet, but
Hogan 2 Center on
should
there.
put a magnet on this pole.
Hogan
Yeah,
2
we
Center.
didn't actually bring stickers, we brought magnets. So anyway, we're heading towards Circa. 8 East is where we're having dinner. So that's where we're going. Alright guys, heading in the direction of downtown Grand now. Had a few more drinks at Circa, the Vegas Vic E bar. We've got, we're being trolled by Vegas trollers behind me. One half of them. We got Christina and Anthony leading the way. So yeah, going to some concert here on the rooftop in downtown Grand. guys about the concert down there at Downtown Grand on Fremont, or right off from Fremont, was very good. Appreciate Anthony and Christina getting us tickets to that. And it's, let's see, about 1:30 in the morning now, so we are going to bed, but just want to do one final shot out the window there. Last time to view this, we'll be heading out tomorrow night, actually, on the red-eye flight, but still have a few things planned for tomorrow. Gonna go out to dinner with Duder is the main thing. Met him today as well down there on Fremont Street and had some drinks at Bar Canada, and that was fun. So, hey, another full and fun day, so we will see you guys in the morning.
Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire?